Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain how we can pass array as an arguments to a functions concept. So here I'm using a program. So for finding the largest element from a given list of array elements by using the functions concept. So this is my header file and here it is my function declaration and my function name is largest, which is trying to return an integer value to my main function, and it takes two arguments. One is an array and another one is integer variable, so which specifies the size of an array. So in my main function I'm declaring three variables of type integer, n and I, which I'm using to take my input size, and I is used in my for loop, and num of 10 is nothing but it's my integer array, so which is capability to take maximum of 10 elements. So now I'm prompting the user entering the size of array, that is I'm reading through n. So here is my printf and scanf statements to read n value from the keyboard, and this is a printf statement because I'm asking the user for entering all array elements. I can read array elements by using my for loop. So I'll take initially I value is 0 and I is always less than the n which is given by the user, then I plus plus, and here is a scanf statement. It will read array elements at I positions, and here I am using %d because my array is of type integer. So here I am calling my function in my printf statement itself. So you can observe that this is a calling of function. So now the value which is written by this largest of num comma n, that is printed by using this printf statement, and simply this is a return 0 because I wrote here my function is of integer, and this is my function definition. So you can observe that the function declaration prototype and the definition both are same. So here my array name is arr, and here I'm passing my value of size of an array with n. So inside of my function I'm declaring one variable I which I'm using in my for loop. So here what my assumption is, I don't know in which position or what will be the largest element in my given array. So my assumption is I'll take one variable and I'll assign the first array element to that particular max variable. So now I'm comparing this max variable with all the position of elements in my array. I'll take a decision which one is the maximum in my array list. So for I1, because I already taken 0th position element and I kept in max variable, so I'll start comparison from my array of one position element. So now this value is less than n. Then the condition is true, then it come inside and it will check array of I. So here in this iteration array of I is nothing but array of 1, which is greater than max. Suppose if array 1 position element is greater than my assumption, so now my max value is updated with array of I position element. So now this for loop will run for n times. That depends on the user given value. And after all iteration, so the max variable will consisting the largest value among my array list, and now that will be returned to my main function. So now I'll show you how we can execute this program. So I just compile and run this program. So it will ask me for n value. Even my array size is 10. I'm not interested to take that many values. So I just give my n value as 5. So it asked me for an array element. So my list of array elements are 85, 45, 90, 14 and 36. So my expected output is 90 because among of these 5 elements, 90 is the largest element in this array. So see, the largest in a given array is 90. Thank you.